Hi, today I'm going to raise an issue which often comes in our lives, especially in your age when you are climbing up and the things are not moving the way you would have wanted them, you would have wished them, you would have planned, but they're not moving the way you would have anticipated. Quite often, you have got those external factors are not in your favor, they are against you. They got to be. They are not meant to be pushing you. That's something which is understandable. And as I always say, if you're climbing up, you are running short of your breath. You have difficulty because you're going against gravity. You're going up. But the problem comes when it gets internalized. When you feel like, oh God, what is this happening to me? That yes, I've got a problem. But what you start doing is that you start accepting that, you start internalizing that. And when you have internalized that, you look for some motivator. You just go to YouTube, you go to this source or that source. But then let's not forget one thing. You cannot type in Google or Wiki for that matter, what is wrong with me? Do you think there'll be an answer that will be popping out? Here lies my today's topic of discussion with you. Please remember, everything has got two sides, and somebody at best would see one side of it, and nobody can flip your coin. You're the only one who has seen the other side of the coin, and you're the one who can flip your coin. Try going inside, go deeper inside. And I think if you're going deeper inside, I suppose you would be able to really find better answer than a motivator may have, or an outsider may have. An outsider may just ask you, that's what I'm doing at the moment. Please look inside, look within. Because if you go deeper, you look inside, I think you should trust the gravity. The dust will settle down. This dust would, whatever those things that you're not able to see outside, don't see outside when there is too much of fog, too much of dust. Look inside, and I think you discover yourself, a truest self, as I always like to believe in that, in the greatest chaos. When the chaos is maximum, you know what is the metal that you are made up of. And I think the greatest opportunity lies in the greatest chaos. When entropy is very high, the disorder is maximum, you get to know the truest elements that are lying in that. I suppose that is the time I like you to look inside, because this is very simple. I would always believe your hunger, you and you alone know it. Nobody knows that how hungry you are. If the things are not going in your favor, but you are hungry, go out and grab it. How would anybody else would tell you that now you are hungry and you should go and eat? No, you only know your hunger. You only know your thirst. You only know your own requirement. So instead of asking others, I think going inside is a better idea. Looking inside is a better idea, because nobody knows your hunger. Nobody knows that how much you actually need. And I think if you've got a taste of a failure, take it as it's just the glory has been delayed. That's the very old proverb they say, failure is glory delayed. Let it be like that, but don't give up. I think if you are able to look inside and appreciate the beautiful you are a diamond. And I'm sure you have to really look deeper. A lot of answers that you have inside, it's just waiting for you to discover and waiting for your call. If I'm able to convey that you are the most precious element for yourself, I've done my job. My best wishes.